we drove out today to Carson River Hot Springs, and the springs themselves, they are way overpacked. There's like 20 different camps, so it's just way too many people for us, and we have a big crowd as well. And the main bathtub over there can only take maybe like 10-15 people to be comfortable. So we camped upstream from the main hot spring, but today we started checking out the area, and we found that there is more hot springs just up the stream. It's not as good as the ones down the stream where the main bath is, but there's some cool spots around here. We drove the Jeeps across the river, and now we're just exploring the stuff and trying to see if we can get in the middle of water somewhere. So we want to swim a little bit, relax, enjoy, and then drive out on the Barney Riley trail back out to Highway 89. So here's a little hot spring bath right here. It's just a little pond with all kinds of algae and weird stuff in it. This does not look inviting to go swimming in, but it is pretty cool geological spot.
And here we got a hot spring just coming out of the rocks and straight into the river. But there is a man-made bath that is big enough for a few people at a time. Everyone had enough of the hot springs. It is time to head back to camp and relax.
Sam,
What's up, man?
what did you do?
I just took it to Mako and had it painted.
No! This is your Jeep. What are you doing in this one?
It's a small, very small upgrade.
Small upgrade.
Yeah, 5.9.
Yeah. Keep.
Bullet bill.
Let me hear it.
Bullet bill. Even has a horn.
Damn. Well, we'll have to do a walk around a little bit later. the river, enjoying food and company. It's getting late and we're heading back out, and we're gonna take a little bit of a different route than we came in. So we're just gonna take a little loop around, avoid all the people that are out there by the hot springs, and just go enjoy the forest rocky roads here. with mud holes and off-cambered little spots, but we're almost out to the nice normal dirt road. So the fun's almost over. It's getting really dark, getting late in the day. We'll be driving out, going home. So today is Halloween and we're out exploring by hot springs, and if you drive in from 395 you know that there's an abandoned ranch house, and what a night we can go explore the house, but the Halloween night. Check it out. Trick or treat, anyone? Dimon, you want to go try in the attic?
You guys want to guess how much rent is in this house? And that doesn't include utilities.
You guys want to go check out the basement? Want to go check out the basement? Check out the basement. In case this place will freak you out, there's actually a complimentary toilet paper roll in here. So this place is actually pretty cool.
Are you sure the door's not going to close on us? I'm just going to smack
It is Halloween night and we're exploring an abandoned ranch house just outside the hot springs on Carson River. Well, we just finished exploring the abandoned ranch house in the middle of the field. In the middle of nowhere. It's about 5 miles to the highway and it's about 3-4 miles away from the hot spring. So it is a pretty cool place, but it's getting deteriorated with every year we visit this place, and people just make it worse and worse. And this place became very well known. People keep coming here all the time and do whatever they want. So it sucks to see the places like this get destroyed, but that's just the nature of the social media and everything else. So it's gonna be it for this video, and we'll see you out there on the next one.